Okay, what we got is basically a light on your sonar, and the location of the sonar happens to be right here above. And there are some videos that you can see, but I didn't like the videos, so I'm going to improve the video. Basically, this speaker was out, and that's a common problem. There's 90% of the time the speaker is out, the location is right here, and I was not able to disconnect it, but I managed to open it up like this. Just put a butter knife underneath these tabs and pop them open. It's like a clam, it opens and closes, and that's where the speaker is. The speaker goes right there, like that. There's a little glue, and there's 2 screws. The instruction says to use the 5.5 millimeter, and I managed to use, let me see what I use, 732 will do it too. So if you found a 732 or 5.5 millimeter, the screw goes here and here, and this thing sits right here. And the reason we're doing that is because the light stays on and your sonar doesn't work. The hard piece to take off is over here. There are 3 prongs, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 that go over here. Okay, this is how it goes, and this part goes underneath. Now, this part is very fragile, as you can see. There is a serious issue with cracking. I've glued some of these, they crack. Do not put any force right here. And the way I did it was I grabbed the left side and the right side, and I went back and forth as it was in the hole like this. I went back and forth to free it. So hold it like a steering wheel. Left hand right here, right hand over here. When it was like this, when it was in this position, I had managed to get it up a little bit, and then I managed to go left, right, till I get it out. This particular piece is very tough. It's not going to break most likely, but this piece will break. And if you want to test the speaker, you don't need to do it, but you need to use an ohmmeter, one of these, and you connect the positive and negative, and when you get a reading of 0, that means the speaker is good. You have connection. If you get no connection when you get done testing it, then you know the speaker is bad. So I'm going to put everything back together. It's rather simple. This goes right here, pops in, 2 screws, hold it. If you're unable to disconnect, again, like the problem I had, I managed to take it apart like this, and this is the most difficult part. Again, let me see if I can demonstrate it. I need a 3rd arm to demonstrate it. I put my left arm right here, and my right arm right here. That's how I got it out. Well, I hope this helps somebody. Keep on trucking and enjoy your Titan. Have a good day. Oh, it's in. So easy. Now here's the test. We're going to go start the vehicle, and we go to the reverse, hold the brake. Here's your sound. Okay. Good luck.